Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Fiat ABARTH. So from any screen, if you go to phone, you'll see settings here in the corner, recent calls, some blocks, a picture of an envelope, and then settings. Click settings, you see there Barry's phone, click on Barry's phone, and that gives you the option to disconnect, delete, delete phone data, delete device. Delete device, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro from the phone and audio device list, yes. That's it gone.